Economic alarm bells are ringing, while most Americans are still sitting on the sidelines. As of March 18, 2025, gold has skyrocketed by 64.2% since early 2023, soaring from $1,850 to $3,038 per ounce. Silver has surged by 44.2%, climbing from $23.65 to $34.11 per ounce. This massive rise in precious metals isn't happening by chance. The U.S. economy is unraveling before our eyes, flashing unmistakable warning signs of a deep recession. If history has taught us anything, it's that when Wall Street and Washington start scrambling to defend the economy, something big is about to happen. Last week, President Trump refused to rule out a recession, and the markets plunged in response. The Dow fell nearly 3,000 points in less than a month. Tech stocks tumbled. Wall Street's fear gauge hit its highest level this year. At the same time, mass layoffs are accelerating across major corporations. Amazon, Google, and Meta have already cut thousands of jobs, and more layoffs are expected as businesses struggle under the weight of rising costs and economic instability. For many Americans, this means a loss of income, a pause in retirement contributions, and a direct hit to their 401ks and IRAs. But instead of acting, most people are still hoping things will magically turn around. If you think your retirement is safe, ask yourself this: what happened to millions of Americans in 2008? Some retirement accounts lost up to 50% of their value that year. Decades of savings wiped out in months. People who thought they had years to recover never did. Right now, we are watching the same economic red flags unfold. If the market crashes again, how much can you afford to lose this time? Is staying in stocks a mistake? Are your 401k, IRA, and TSP in serious danger? While the financial elite tell you to stay in stocks for the long haul, they are hoarding gold at record levels. Tons of gold have been flown into the U.S. from London and other global reserves. Banks, hedge funds, and major institutions are aggressively buying up physical gold. Central banks have made record-breaking gold purchases, while advising the public to ignore it. Trump and Musk are demanding an audit of Fort Knox, for a very good reason. Now, if gold was such a bad investment, why are the world's most powerful financial players stacking it like never before? Think about it for a moment. Central banks are like insider traders, where they decide the interest rates and how much money to print. Why would gold appeal to them more than their paper fiat currency? Is it because they know something that we don't? They certainly don't play the game to lose. The warnings were clear. The signs were all over the place. Every time the economy enters dangerous territory, Wall Street and Washington defend the system at all costs, while they quietly move their own wealth into safe haven assets. They don't want you buying gold because it takes the power away from them. It's not about abandoning stocks. It's about cutting your losses and diversifying. We're not telling you to dump the stock market, but ignoring history comes at a cost. Most American investors blindly follow financial advisors and money managers without question. And time again, they pay the price, watching their 401ks shrink, the dollar weaken, and the market spiral. The question is, will you act this time or choose to pay the price once again? Protect your 401k or IRA and mitigate the bleeding as the market crumbles. Start a gold IRA today and receive a complimentary gold coin as a token of support. Call Allegiance Gold now at 844-790-9191. That's 844-790-9191 and request our complimentary gold IRA kit.